Some people dream of success, and some people gets up every morning and turn those dreams into reality. Sri Venkatesh started its journey way back in 2013 from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Sri Venkatesh Group is spread over 40,000 square meter and has variable facilities like injection molding, home appliance and various other products. A company that is involved in the business of plastic injection molding. Today, our well-established businesses of electronic appliances are a testimony to our company's proficiency and dedication toward quality. We produce air conditioners, air coolers, washing machines, LED TVs and different type of assemblies. In our 10 years of business, we started with a manufacturing capacity of machines starting from 250 tons to 800 tons and have now expanded to 24 machines from 250 tons to 1700 tons. We aim to continue expanding our production capacity as per